Alright, HVAC people, so on the next call here, the guy say, I'm gonna run and Lennox and give me a quarter and 5/16 drill bit. Hopefully they got one. But on the next call, the guy say that the unit is frosting up on the outside. He say he went in the attic, he noticed that the blower wasn't running, or he had a flash on the control board. So he got a Lennox, he leaked. So we'll try to find out why that blower not turning on. All right.
That big line, that big line.
Freezing up on you?
Yeah. Okay, check it out. I was hoping maybe it was something simple, but
yeah.
On the hottest day too.
Oh yeah.
7 degrees.
Yeah, that's when it's gonna happen. You got it off at the thermostat?
What's that?
You got it off at the thermostat?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, actually, it's off at the thermostat because the door is open.
Okay, right. Yep. All right, full. Get us some more light. All right. So our status light. Got a constant beat. Alright, so I'm not calling for it. Alright, so we got 24 volts, but I'm not calling for cooling or heating. So we're gonna put one on red, one on fan. Alright. So I'm jumping out my fan, so. So the fan is working, jumped out. That's a VFD, I don't know. What the speed? I'm gonna get them turned on the thermostat, see what I can do. Alright folks, so we just turned it on, that thermostat. The fan just kicked on. It's like it's going pretty fast to me too. It was freezing up and the fan wasn't turning on, but it seemed like the fan turning on to me. I'm gonna make sure you gotta change this filter. No filter box up here. While it's freezing up, we're gonna go check some pressures. It might just be low on refrigerant sometime. I don't know if you noticed when I got up here, the panel was off. He said he tried to troubleshoot it himself, so I'm gonna go check some pressures. We got blower. Let's go check some pressure.
I think they might have put them low.
Okay.
This one on the left always drips. And I thought,
I don't think so. Yours should be above a window. Let's go look on the other side of the house or the back, but because I think that it could be, but that might be water heater.
oh, that might be one. Okay.
Water heater is usually on the ground. Ours usually up top. They say usually be above a window. Yeah, but that's it right there.
Okay, it's on that.
In the middle. Yeah, look.
That must be the water.
Yeah, so you might want to get that checked because
It's not supposed to leak either, right?
that's a relief valve. So you want to get a plumber to check that out.
Okay.
That's not my expertise. I don't think it's supposed to be leaking.
Yeah.
I think that's a relief valve.
I don't think we're supposed to have.
But let me finish troubleshooting this one. I want to. I want to check the pressures on here. This spec might be low on refrigerant. (2018). We had 5 years. Pressure look good to me. Now to monitor that blower then. Go ask him about the filter. What about the filter condition? Change the filter?
Yeah, filter.
Good? Okay.
What was the problem?
I'm gonna leave it open, leave the call open for about a day and just monitor because the blower is running.
Oh, it is?
It's running perfect.
Did it just fire up as soon as you started?
Yeah.
See, it didn't do that. So no red light or nothing?
Well, it goes through a process.
Okay.
And it has a variable speed motor on there.
Okay.
So sometimes when you do connect the power to it, it gives a minute for it to ramp up and then it just starts going fast. So it's not like a PC motor where it goes 100 miles an hour as soon as you turn power. So like I say, on one of these situations, it could be something, it's not doing it now.
So both of those, you took a picture.
Yeah.
notice any of it that night. But the next day, it's about noon, I went to the gym and my neighbor called me and that line froze up.
Okay.
When I got back, the fan wouldn't blow. So I turned it off with the breaker and I let it defrost for a few hours.
Okay.
Turned everything back on and the system wouldn't start. And it was left on for quite a while. So when I went up there and took the door off, these two boxes were really hot. Let's see. Alright, so that guy right there and that guy right there were hot to touch. Like burned my hand.
Okay.
And that red light was flashing right here on CFM, I think, or status. But, so I don't know. I'm nervous. You're saying you didn't change anything out?
No. Like I say, I mean, like I say, I'm not a parts changer.
Yeah.
So I'm just not going to change that just because. Yeah, right. So we check the amps and stuff like that. If everything seems to be working fine, like I say, the only thing I can do is just monitor. If it happens again, like I said, I don't want to speculate.
Yeah.
I hope it don't happen again, but if it does happen again, we'll have to come to troubleshoot more. And hopefully it don't. But I still want to monitor it before I leave. If it goes out before I leave. So when a unit icing up, it only can be maybe about 3 or 4 things.
Okay.
First thing, you need airflow.
Yep.
So the blower motor. It has to be a blower motor or a dirty filter or a low on refrigerant. So that's the main 3 things.
Okay.
Plug filter, because of course that's affects the airflow. Fan, blower affects the airflow. Sometimes you can have a bad control board not telling the fan to turn on. But those 2 items that you say that's a transformer, that really wouldn't cause the motor to not turn on, because especially even if you see those red lights, it's dropping down transformer, so that means it is getting 24 volts. Okay. And it has a reset transformer on that too, so it can get hot. Then let me look at a couple more things. I'm sure, like I said, I'm gonna take the amps on the floor motor. If I'm not over amping anything, I'll see if we can cause it out. I want to kind of blame it on the storm, maybe we need to reset or something. Yeah.
All right, I appreciate it.
All right, no problem. All right. All right, folks. Well, I say sometimes you go up here and unit's still not working, but this unit is working fine. They say they had some type of storm or something, so I'm gonna blame it on that. I'm gonna call this good. My pressure's good. I don't know what to tell them. They want me to say something wrong with it, but I don't see anything wrong with it. Pressing good to me. Alright folks, I'm gonna write this up. We're gonna have to monitor this unit. It's a home warranty. I'm not gonna just change the part and say something bad just because. So I think I'll leave the call open for about a day. If you don't call me back, I'm gonna close it out.